Does this work okay? Can you guys hear it better? Still no, huh?
No.
Anything at all?
There you go.
There we go.
All right.
Well, what do you want to talk about then? Look, it's always great to be at RSNA. It's a great way to see many friends in the industry and all kinds of great technology that really drives the industry. As John said, in good times and bad, we've been willing to invest in this industry, and I see today at the GE booth a fantastic array of new technology, and I'm proud to be a part of it. The big technology trend that we're all a part of today is the physical world meeting the analytical world. So the science of materials and technology that have been a part of GE for generations is now meeting sensing technology, analytics, information technology, and we think this is going to provide better outcomes for our customers, our doctors, the hospital CEOs, and will really represent new waves of technology in the future. I saw a ton of good products that I'd like to sit here and sell to you right now, but unfortunately they're only giving me license to talk about two of them. The first one is the Revolution CT. Steve Gray, who's been my colleague for many years, is the leader of this project. I personally have been around the industry long enough to say that I think this is the biggest innovation in CT since the slip ring. I think this is really going to open up and solidify CT as the workhorse modality that our customers expect it to be. And it's going to bring great innovation, I think, in the area of speed, in the area of image quality, which is always important in this industry, in the area of coverage, organ coverage, which we think is so important, and of course low dose. And so if you think about the last, let's say, decade in CT, which has been constant focus on things like slice counts and things like that, I think from an outcome standpoint, the Revolution CT is really going to set the bar at a new level and drive real clinical relevance and incredible patient outcomes. And so I'm really proud of this product. I've already raised Steve's budget on how many he should sell, so please be cooperative on that regard. And the second is in the area of information technology collaboration for the future. Today, you all know that when we're here, it used to be that the information technologies were an afterthought. Now they're the middle of the booth. How we can drive collaboration, how we can drive information flow, how we can drive clinical collaboration. They now, I'd say, rule the booths, are incredibly important for workflow and collaboration. One of the biggest challenges I've always thought is radiology productivity and the ability to do more analytical work post-processing. And we think the Centricity 360, which we're announcing today, is going to allow for better collaboration, better information flow, the opportunity to have images and applications in the cloud so that radiologists at both big hospitals and small hospitals can ultimately have access to these great post-processing tools. So the Centricity 360, I think, is going to be the first step in really driving radiologist productivity and better advancements in imaging. So I'm really proud of the Centricity 360 as well. Now there's also PET-MR, new ultrasound products, great mammography products in the booth as well, but those are the two I want to talk about today. So let me turn it over now to Steve Gray. Steve has really been the leader and the innovator of the new Revolution CT, and Steve, talk more about it. Thanks very much.